Yan. Leg machine. Full drill. Ito pala guys ay emergency stop. Kailangan apakan mo to pag may mga problema, emergency stop. Yan. Ito pag mag-test ka ng fuel injector. Yan ho, yan guys. Sa generator naman yan pag nag-test ka ng fuel injector. This one, aircon. Wala yung aircon namin guys. This is my table shop. Yan. Welding machine, grinding disc, cutting disc, welding rod, complete yan guys. Welding mask. Ayan yung tools natin lahat. Kompleto yan sa size. Ayan. Ayan guys. Welding machine again. Water dispenser. Yan yung water dispenser namin.